What's up, you guys? It's Amber and welcome back to a new video. I am so excited for today's video because we are going to be unboxing a very exciting Ulta package. Today we are going to be unboxing Ariana Grande's brand new US exclusive perfume called Pink Woods. And this comes from a collection of fragrances called Love Notes. Ariana has a few different perfumes available all over the world. I think it's a really cute concept. I am fortunate enough to own the first one already, Vanilla Suede. It is so good. So I am very excited to try Pink Woods. I'm a pink lover, so the name is just already screaming to me. And I'm actually extra excited because Ariana said that this one is her favorite from the whole collection. I am hoping that that means it's really good. So without further ado, let's get into it. I've done so many Ariana Grande perfume unboxings and every time I still get the butterflies and it feels so exciting. Oh my gosh, not the pink packaging too. Oh my goodness, it's so heavy. That is the thing I love about this Love Notes collection is the perfumes have been so heavy. The quality just feels so luxurious. Just for reference, this is the Vanilla Suede Love Notes box and this is the newest Pink Woods. Ah, super cute. And another thing I love about these is that they are labeled on the top. This one has #1 on it. So lucky to have that. And then this one has a #3 on the top. I'm so excited. Let's get into it. So this is what the box looks like. And I love the box itself. It has like this pleated kind of detailing on it that is just so gorgeous. And it has a little AG over here. And if you did not know, my initials are also AG. So I love when things like this come out that have her initials printed on it because I'm like, low key, that applies to me too. And then on the side, it says Love Notes. I love the printed detailing on the side. Without further ado, let's get into it. How stunning. I will never get over the packaging on these perfumes. They just feel so luxurious. There we have it, Love Notes by Ariana, Pink Woods. Officially another one collected. I am so excited. Some minor little details that I love about this packaging is that it also has Ariana Grande hidden right here on the cap. That is so cute, just the little things. I also love how heavy duty the cap feels. Like it just stays on there really good. So if you were to throw this in your purse, I don't think this cap is coming off at any point. And I also just love how these are bigger. This bottle is 4.25 fluid ounces, whereas I think Ariana's biggest is like around 3 ounces. So you get a whole entire extra ounce in this set of fragrances. I think that is incredible. The notes right on here say jasmine petals, tonka, cashmere woods. Let's give her a smell. I can't smell anything yet out of the cap. First, I'm gonna spray it on my wrist. Oh my God. Ooh, I already got a little whiff. Wow, that is so not what I was expecting at all. I'm gonna give it a good few sprays. I don't have any perfume on today, so I'm really gonna be able to get the full smell here. Wow, I don't even know how to describe that. I mean, it definitely does smell pretty florally. I'm gonna also spray it on the box so I can smell it. Wow, that is gorgeous. I feel like it's very subtle at first. Like I kind of sprayed a lot and I don't really fully smell it yet. That is gorgeous. It's giving adult, it's giving women, it's giving Glinda. It's so magical and luxurious. I definitely smell the cashmere in this one. It smells so clean. I smell the jasmine petals. I smell the floral. That is very, very strong on this. And I almost feel like this one could be unisex. It just smells like a spa. It smells so clean. It smells, it's giving like rich auntie. Like that is what this is giving. Let me give you guys the rundown on this fragrance. Love Notes Pink Woods sold at Ulta for $80 for the 4.25 fluid ounce. This one is a US exclusive, available in stores on September 27th. This is a cruelty-free fragrance. We love that. This is described as a mesmerizing delightful fragrance, a love note from Ariana Grande to the world, exclusively available in North America. This one is in the Citrus Woods family. Key notes include top notes of Italian bergamot and lotus flower. Very floral, very delicious. The middle notes are jasmine petal, tea leaves, and vetiver. Vetiver, I'm not exactly sure how to pronounce that one. I'll put it up on the screen. And the dry down notes are tonka beans, cashmere woods, and cotton candy. It is definitely a delicious, floral, mature scent. Very, very different from the Vanilla Suede one. The Vanilla Suede is much more warm while also still has that kind of like luxurious spa-like scent to it. I'm just so happy with the direction that Ariana has kind of taken with this particular collection of fragrances. And for me, and I know a lot of other fans that are my age probably will agree with this, we've grown up with Ariana, so we've gotten to go through every single wave of fragrance with her as well. It's just so nice as a fan who's like 28 years old to finally have some more mature fragrances. I definitely feel like Ariana's fragrances have kind of taken a more mature adult turn when God is a Woman came out. Like I feel like that one was very much kind of in the same family as these ones. In fact, I would say this particular perfume, Pink Woods, kind of reminds me the most of God is a Woman out of any fragrance that Ariana has released. So I do think this is definitely more of a mature adult fragrance, and I do really, really like this. The dry down is definitely much more strong than the initial first spray, but oh my God, I am so surprised and happy at this fragrance. This is not anything at all that I was expecting, but I am so pleasantly surprised. If you live in the US, I strongly suggest you run to your Ulta or Sephora and check this out, give it a sniff. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Are you gonna be snatching Pink Woods? My number one still sits at a good Cloud Mod Vanilla combo. I do still love those and they're unmatched in my opinion. However, the Vanilla Suede one kind of crept its way up there. I've been using the Vanilla Suede so much. I use it anytime I go out on like date night or a more special occasion just because it is not available in the US. So once I run out of that one, I'm gonna be so devastated. But I'm definitely gonna be using this one a lot because I feel like it's a really good fall into the winter scent. So this is just perfect timing. Thank you, Ariana. That was my unboxing of Pink Woods by Ariana Grande. My personal opinion, I'm gonna give it like a 9 out of 10. I think it's gonna be one of my go-tos, but again, it does not beat Cloud for me. Cloud is just the number one. She's unmatched. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys are gonna be purchasing the Pink Woods if you are from North America. And if you are not from North America, let me know if you were able to snatch one in your country. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.